Came out of Marshall's, found some good deals in here. Let me show you what I got. 2 of these. They're gonna help organize some of my stuff in the cabinets. Stack shelves. They're on sale for $4.99 each. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. Got a nice little book here, daily planner. On sale for $4. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. And a nice presentational board for some foods and stuff. On sale for $12. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. And some infused charcoal loofahs for when the gorilla body needs a little scrubbing. All this for $32. No tax. Thank you, Pennsylvania. Okay, people, so this is what you do sometimes when you're on the road and you don't want to eat out every meal. So grab some healthy stuff, some not so healthy stuff. And let's make a little taco salad. We got some pico de gallo. We have some guacamole, red hummus. Oh, snap. Pickles. Bag of lettuce. Bag of broccoli. Some tortillas. No, not tortillas. These are, what are these? Some nachos. And a little roasted poblano salsa cremosa. Let's put together a little salad. All right? See what we can do here. All right. Let's put this together. It's like Rose Gone Wild. Some salad. Let's see here. Lettuce. I'm going to stand up for this. Nachos. Broccoli. Yeah. Some pickles. Actually, I'll put a little pepper. Go with some guac. A little bit more lettuce on top of that first. Make it a little bit somewhat healthier. Store-bought guac. Store-bought guac. Okay. Pico. I can smell the cilantro in here, actually. Good. Chef it up, baby. Let's grill it up. Chef it up. All right. A few pickles on there. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Put this on the side. Okay. Yeah. A little bit of hummus. On the sides. All right. A little bit of left. A little bit of white. show you what we got here. There you have it, folks. A little taco salad. Chefing it up, chef style. On the road. Got some veggies in there. Got some guac, some hummus, pickles, tortillas. Not tortillas. I keep saying tortillas. Nachos. Some lettuce, some broccoli. Bon appetit. Cute little town of Ellicottville. Been here before, and there's this restaurant here called Balloons, which actually serve some vegan food. It's pretty good. Let's go look. Cool shot, little canoe light. Nice little buffalo vegan wrap. Sweet potato fries. And a beer. Bon appetit. Cute little town of Ellicottville. Maytown, USA. Got some Mud, Sweat, and Tears. See, there's a good restaurant over there called Balloons. Let's stroll down here.